Assalamu alaikum. In this lecture we will learn about comments and input in Python. So start by creating a new file. Let's name it input, and we will start by writing a multi-line comment by using this double quotes 3 times. Let's write a to-do list. First we will take input from the user, and this input will contain username, math marks, physics marks, and then we will show the total. And for single line comment we will use this hash. So for input from the user, let's define a variable username and input. But before this input we will show a message like enter your name, and after getting the username we will ask for math marks, physics marks, and then we will show the total. So for math marks, print enter math marks and a variable name marks math, and then input. And for physics marks, enter physics marks and variable name marks physics. And then for total we will create another variable total marks, and then we will add maths and physics marks. Let's write the message total marks of username. Let's run this file. Select the file, and here's the result. Enter your name, so the total marks of. Now let's show the total marks. So the total marks and here you can see that the result is 40/50 because it is concatenating these two inputs. It is due to the fact that Python takes every input as a string. So first we will convert this string into integer, and we have to convert this total marks into string. And if we don't convert, then you will see this error, type error, can only concatenate a string. So for this we will use str for total marks. And now here is the total 85. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to check out more lessons like this, then please subscribe to this channel and like the video. And if you have any question, then leave it in comments section. See you in the next lecture. Take care. Bye bye.